dad like got it stuck,
Yeah.
so it was like sitting on a stuck wheel. You're right. Well, I actually raced my dog that I had it run out. All we have to have is good skill switch.
Ang bait ng horse ko. My horse. Mabait siya. Yung asawa ko dyan.
So I rode to mine and then I got out past the first time I went, I had my uncle come as well, and I had to go past him and I stopped the first time.
Yung bata salita ng salita doon sa asawa ko.
Second time I didn't know if he was trying to wave me out, but as I come around the
Siya yung
corner, I
ano,
picked up my feet.
siya yung nagbabantay sa amin. Kinaguide kami. Thank you for watching.